we continue our discussion of personality and personality development and leadership. And now we know what personality is. Personality refers to the totality of the mental, emotional, intellectual, physical, behavioral characteristics of an individual. That is personality. And everybody wants to be a successful person. Everybody wants to have a good personality. And all these lectures are very important for NCC cadets. I'm making all these lecture series for the NCC cadets because in the NCC C certificate examination and B certificate examination, almost 70 marks questions come from personality development and leadership. 70 marks questions come from personality and development and leadership. Hence, it is very important for the cadets. And I request my cadets in the colleges of Kozhikode, please, you can, whatever be your background, you can have a wonderful personality with training, practice, and patience. This is it. With practice, training, and patience. All this is required for having a very good personality. Now we have defined personality. What is personality? Personality is the totality. It is the totality of an individual's emotional, intellectual, mental, physical, behavioral characteristics together. How one behaves, what is the intellectual level of an individual, what is the emotional level of all that together is personality. Now we have to come to the second point, that is, what is personality development? Very important question. What is personality development? Personality development refers to the developing of a personality. When a baby is born, a baby is just like a handful of clay. We are all clay. Yeah, like in any aboriginal principles or the beliefs of aborigines, you will understand that we come from soil, we go to soil. So we are just a handful of clay. And this handful of clay, if properly shaped, could be just transformed into anything. So let me tell you, parents, your son is a handful of clay. Mothers, your son or your daughter is a handful of clay. And teachers, your children, your students are handful of clay. And officers, your subordinates are also to a certain extent handful of clays. You can mold them with your influence. So parents have to be very careful. So now we are discussing, of course, personality development. Personality is like you can improve your personality, and this has to happen when somebody is young, when you are in the school, when you are in the college, and of course even when you grow up you can change, but it is good that you change when you are young, because by the time you are 20 years, by the time you are 21 years, 25 years, you must reach somewhere. You must reach your goal. And we know what success is. What is success? Yeah, success is doing your dream. What is your dream? I want to be like Sachin Tendulkar. I want to be like Kiran Bedi. I want to be like Richard Branson. I want to be like Steve Jobs. All this is my dream. All this is our dream. And how can you accomplish it? What is success? Success is doing your dream. What is doing your dream? Working hard for the fulfillment of your dream, accomplishing your dream, accomplishing your goal. That is success. And for that, you should have a personality, because your personality has to be different from the personality of others. If my personality is just like the personality of everybody, I won't get selected. I won't. I must be different. And God has created each of us unique. I am Binoy, and I have my own characteristics: appearance, physique, emotion, intelligence, behavior, linguistic talents, and of course the other skills. That's what all this make me unique. Similarly, you, and remember, you should create in fact a personality of your own, and that personality you create for your own will give an impression to others. Sometimes you would just wonder, or rather you can see, you love certain people. Oh my god, look at him, how he does things. He has succeeded his studies. He got, soon after completing his studies, he got a job. He wanted to be a footballer and he played a lot. He worked hard a lot. He became a footballer and now he is in the national team. He wanted to be a musician. He learned a lot of music and now he is singing for almost all the films that is just released, or he's singing for almost all the music albums and channels and all. What is this? This is doing your dream. This is success. This is personality development. You are developing yourself into a unique individual. So that is the definition of personality development. What is personality development? Personality development is developing a personality so as to create a strong positive impression about ourselves, the self with a targeted group. And it is, of course, we have to maintain a very personality to prove ourselves in a long run. Yeah, I am going to be like this for a long time. This is my life, this is my personality, and with this personality I can contribute to this company. With this personality, with all these talents, I can contribute to your firm, my country, the Indian Army, or rather, I can contribute to my family, I can contribute to my community, I can contribute to my state, I can contribute to my country. This is how we have leaders in our society. This is how we have ward members in the panchayat, different ward members in the panchayat, different MLAs, MPs, chief ministers, prime ministers, presidents. This is what is finding the personality. What should I be? Finding, okay, this is what is personality. Developing my talents, developing my abilities, developing what I am born for. I am born for a professor. I am born for a teacher. I am born for a police officer. I am born for an artist. I am born for a bank officer. I am born for a chief executive officer. I am born for an MLMP. Maintain, practice, and develop such a suitable personality for that individual. That is you. That is personality development. Okay, and this is the reason why we have a lot of incredibly successful people in our society. A lot of successful people. Look at Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln. You know about Abraham Lincoln. You know about a lot of people who have succeeded in their life. You know about the great American basketball player Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. He wanted to be a great basketball player, and he practiced rigorously. He practiced rigorously, rigorous practice, regular practice with patience. Think of the tennis players. We have Venus and Serena Williams, the tennis players. From the age of 6 or 7 onwards, rigorous practice from every early morning. 6 o'clock onwards, they are practicing rigorously. So, with practice and hard work, they have developed a personality which is, of course, suitable for them to achieve their ambition, their goal, and this is how you develop a personality. You have a lot of talents of your own, you have a lot of qualities of your own, and with all these qualities of your own, you are going to be different, and you are going to be, of course, noticed by others, and you are going to be a leader. Personality development and leadership. Now we have to discuss, how can one have a good personality? This is a very important question. How can we love a lot of people. Maybe you love Shah Rukh Khan. You love, of course, the Malayalam film actor Mohanlal. You love the actor, of course, Mammootty, or anybody, or even, of course, your Brad Pitt. Okay, you like the character Brad Pitt, Or even, of course, right, maybe you would think that I'm not just mentioning any women, all right. We have Vidya Balan, you like Vidya Balan, or even like Aishwarya Rai, or even Kate Winslet, right? And you say that their personality is good. And now you have to think, how can you have a good personality? And I'm just coming to that in the next session of this particular series of lecture. You are just going to learn how can one have good personality. How can one have good personality? Very important for each of us. Please listen very carefully, and after some time, of course, we will resume our lecture, and in that session we will see how one can develop good personality. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful time.